Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can convert HEIC format image to JPG in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first I just need to go for my Google Chrome browser over here, and then here I just need to search for HEIC to JPG converter. Click on that. And from here, you will get the first link over here, that HEIC to JPG. If you click on that, so now here you can see we are come over this HEIC to JPG website over here. This website is completely very good, and then you can see you can maximize photos up to 5. So first you just need to click on it, and then you just need to select that photo over here. And you can see it's uploading photo. So it depends on your picture size. So you can see it's uploaded, and now it's optimizing your photo. And you can see after optimizing this photo, you can see you will get an option called download photo. So click on that, and you can see they're saying that your zip file is ready and your photo is downloaded over here. So click on this folder icon, and they are giving you this into a JPG file format. I'm going to click on extract all, extract, and you can see here is your photo into JPG file. You can see over here is a JPG file. So this is how we can convert HEIC file into JPG in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.